Good morning, children. Hope you are doing fine at home. Today we will be doing the third lesson of composition, which is called the rainy season. Rainy season means barish ka mausam. So you will learn how to write few lines on this season. So let's start reading. You can look at the picture. There are some children playing in the rain. There's water everywhere. There are children who are making paper boats, children with umbrellas, rainy shoes, raincoats, and there are dark clouds in the sky. So let's read first what is written. The rainy season is from June to September. So, after the summer season gets over, that is in May, from June we start rains. June, July, August and September are the 4 months of the rainy season. There are dark clouds in the sky. Before it starts raining, the dark clouds cover the sky and it becomes dark everywhere. Children enjoy in the rain. Don't you all enjoy to go down and play in the rain? Yes. What do they do? They make paper boats to float in the water. Can you see over here? So they take a piece of paper, make a lovely boat and put that boat in the water. We use umbrellas and raincoats in this season. Whenever you go out in the rain, you have to take your umbrella or you wear your raincoat. We also use rainy shoes in the rain. You have special shoes called rainy shoes or sandals which we wear when we go out in the rainy season. Here the difficult word is float. Float means to move on water. Whenever you put something in water, if it is very light, it remains on the top of the water. We call that as float. So this was on rainy season. Now let us answer the questions in one sentence. Which are the months of the rainy season? The months of the rainy season are from which month, children? They start from June to September. Question 2. What kind of clouds are there in the sky? When it starts to rain, what kind of clouds come in the sky? There are dark clouds in the sky. Question 3. What do the children make when it rains? Children make paper boats when it rains. Then question 4. What things do we use in the rainy season? What are the things you require when you go out in the rains? We use umbrellas, raincoats and rainy shoes in the rainy season. In question 2, there is a lovely picture of some children having fun in the rain. You have to color this picture and make it very pretty. And now let's do the last question, number 3. Here you have to write 4 to 5 sentences on the rainy season in your own words. So write down the topic, the rainy season. First line, the rainy season is from June to September. Second, it comes after the summer season. Third, children enjoy playing in the rain. Fourth, you can write what you use. We use umbrellas, raincoats and rainy shoes in this season. And last you can write, There is water filled everywhere. So this was a short composition on the rainy season. Do complete coloring the picture and also writing the composition in your own words. Thank you, children.